important, I believe, because in a rapidly urbanizing environment, children should learn to get off their phones and like go outside and interact with nature. That's one of the things we learn here. Like we learn how to coexist with nature and what we can learn from it.
Camp allows me to go to do places like going inside the cave and go meeting the religious places and seeing different types of rocks and how rocks and caves work with the rain.
What I feel about the camp is that like we can all hang out with our friends and be in a natural space.
I feel like the benefits of the camp is like we get to be outside in nature and like really reconnect with the environment.
You learn your time management too, because you have to like think and be responsible, manage your time, like pack your things, and yeah.
It helps us connect to other people that we've not really talked to.
It helps us learn more about nature.
You have to like face your fear like during camp.
Be more independent as well as like be more collaborative at the same time.
Like you can overcome challenges.
We get to be more like brave and try new experiences.
Since we are without our like parents, we do stuff by our own and we become more independent.